Hello adults, welcome back to our channel Devintel. Today we will see how to work inventory coverage analysis report. It's defined total 4 category: critical, risk, healthy and overstock. Critical means stock will run out before new stock arrives. Please order immediately. Second one is a risk. Stock is low and may become critical soon. Plan a order. Third one is a healthy. Stock level is balanced, no action needed. And last four one is a overstock. Too much stock or slow sales, stop buying or push sales. So let's see about that. You can see here module Dev Inventory Coverage Analysis Report. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to inventory app, go to reporting menu and see here this menu coverage dashboard. Display here different counters, tables, but not display any data. And here available options refresh data and display here this message. Dashboard data refreshed successfully and also display here last refresh date time. Available here total products, different category wise total critical, at risk, overstock and total stock values. And also define here stock out in 7 days, it means day wise. Define here notes blocked capital alerts. Total values is locked and display here alerts. Total this value is locked in overstock items. Consider redistribution or promotional sales. Available here coverage health, healthy, at least critical and overstock based on this product. And if you want to see in pie chart, so easily click on this icon and see here display pie chart based on the stock value and overstock. Again back this dashboard. Available here financial impact based on this total value of different categories. And you can easily see in bar chart and click on this icon. Display here stock value or overstock with category wise. Again back dashboard and available here warehouse. This which warehouse in how many products or values available. So critical 4, risk 1 and over total 17. Click on this icon and display here matrix. Below display total 2 tables. Top 10 products to reorder. Define here product, warehouse, coverage, days, reorder quantity and total lead time. And next is the top 10 overstock products. Define here product based on this warehouse, coverage days, total stock values and on-hand quantities. And if you want to see full report of this data, so easily click on this button and configure here company, warehouse location, product with categories and select here method. Again go to reporting menu and display this menu here coverage report. Now configure here this all details, select products, select categories like a goods, select here start date to end date, coverage method available total 2, ADS and static coverage days. And available here option include internal transfer as a sales. Total 3 option provided, only few report, export in PDF format and Excel format. First I want to print in PDF format. Now open it and display here your PDF report. Above display company, coverage method, warehouse and total products 3. Define here category wise like a critical in 1, at risk for 1, healthy for 1 and not available for this overstock. Total stock values and below display here all details. And here define how to configure for the critical, risk, healthy and overstock. So you can easily see here this legend. Now I want to print in Excel format and display here in the same format. Company name, period time, total available product, warehouse, selected your coverage method and generated. So critical, risk and healthy, overstock in 0. Display here all details of this product and also define here status, total stock value and generated by admin. Now I want to view this report. So click on this view report button and see here category wise display here. Now go to coverage data and see here data of this product. Define here coverage status wise like a critical, risk, healthy and overstock. Next is a critical product, risk product and overstock product. Also define here separate menu for charts like a coverage health, financial impact and warehouse metrics. If you want to see directly here, so easily click on this menu and see here. Provided here list and graph view also. Now click on this historical snapshot, all snapshot. And if you want to compare data from the last, repeat. And if you want to compare data with the past, so go to this reporting menu and display here this all snapshots. Go to this menu and see here this all data available of this coverage snapshot, but also provided here filters, daily, weekly and monthly snapshot. Currently display here this last 30 days. If you want to see only daily snapshot, weekly or monthly, so easily see here. Provided here trending analysis pivot, stock value in trends. You can see here by pie chart, line chart, bar chart and also provided here pivot view and list view. And you can easily see here which status is in strength. So display here product for January 2026, total 23 and risk 1. Different measure wise display here this chart. So this report shows which products to buy now, busy soon, monitor or stop buying. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.